Gravity's technology combines 5 engines, a large one on the back, with a pair of microjet engines on each arm, in a 3D printed polymer, aluminum, and titanium suit that can lift a person into the air. Browning compares the 1,700 horsepower jet suit to the power of a Bugatti Veyron sports car in a 30-kilogram, 66-pound backpack. Pilots control their flight path by altering the direction of their arms. For example, pointing their arms down to go up, or lifting their arms to the side to go down. The jet suit uses aviation fuel or diesel and can go at speeds of up to 136 kilometers per hour, 85 miles per hour. Browning's own record. As with any adrenaline sport, there's always risk. Gravity likens jet suit crashes to falling off a motorcycle and flies low to the ground over water or grass to minimize risks. The Drone Champions League made headlines in 2020 with the reveal of the world's first manned aerobatic drone, a revolutionary leap in aerial tech. Unlike standard racing drones, this machine is built to carry a person and perform complex stunts like rolls and loops, offering a thrilling experience that's part sport, part spectacle. What makes it even more unique is its hybrid control system. It can be piloted from inside the cockpit or flown remotely, merging elements of traditional drones with full-scale aircraft. Priced at over $1 million, it's far from accessible to the average consumer. The creators envision it as the future of drone racing, a high-speed sport taken to new heights, literally. But for now, it remains a cutting-edge luxury for enthusiasts and daredevils chasing the ultimate adrenaline rush through the skies. Sleek, stealthy, and built like something out of a secret military project, the BlackBird is a personal flying vehicle that looks ready for a sci-fi chase scene. Designed to be compact yet powerful, this all-electric aircraft uses tilt-rotor technology to achieve smooth vertical takeoff and fast horizontal flight. Its minimalist cockpit is wrapped in a carbon fiber shell, offering both aerodynamics and protection. With a flight range of up to 100 kilometers and speeds nearing 120 kilometers per hour, the BlackBird is ideal for solo air travel in urban or off-grid environments. It's controlled by an intuitive fly-by-wire system that makes piloting as simple as using a game controller. What truly sets the BlackBird apart is its stealth-inspired design. Sharp angles, low noise, and a jet black finish that gives it a tactical, almost cinematic presence. Whether you're zipping over a city or cutting through open skies, the BlackBird delivers a next-gen flying experience with attitude. This is the Orb Nomad. Engineered with precision and wrapped in a carbon composite shell, it's a compact aerial vehicle that merges elegance with advanced technology. At first glance, it resembles a floating command capsule, smooth, spherical, and built with purpose. Its vertical takeoff system is powered by an array of hidden electric duct fans, providing a quiet, efficient lift without the need for traditional wings or runways. Inside, a digital cockpit greets the pilot with intuitive controls, smart flight assistance, and real-time environmental data. The wraparound canopy offers a wide field of view, giving the sensation of piloting a spacecraft rather than a traditional aircraft. Designed for solo flight, urban mobility, and future-forward transport, the Orb Nomad is as much a tech statement as it is a flying machine. It's not just flight, it's an upgrade to the way we interact with the skies. Meet the TUSI, a flying car that looks like it was designed for superheroes. This cutting-edge vehicle blends high-performance engineering with vertical flight technology, giving you the freedom to drive through streets or soar above them. With its sleek, futuristic design and foldable propellers, the TUSI transforms from road mode to flight mode in a matter of seconds. Built for urban mobility, it can take off vertically from tight spaces, making it perfect for city commutes or quick getaways. The carbon fiber frame keeps it lightweight yet strong, while its electric propulsion system ensures quiet and eco-friendly travel. On the road, it drives like a luxury car. In the air, it glides like a drone. With an estimated flight range of around 250 to 300 kilometers and a cruising speed suited for short regional hops, the TUSI is more than just a concept. It's a bold step toward a world where flying to work is part of everyday life. Imagine escaping traffic with the push of a button. your car lifts off the ground and becomes an aircraft. That's the power of the Pegasus E, a futuristic hybrid machine designed for both road and sky. With sleek air intakes and an aerodynamic carbon fiber body, it looks like it came straight from a sci-fi blockbuster. But this isn't fiction. The Pegasus E features retractable rotors that deploy smoothly for vertical takeoff, allowing it to switch from car to flying mode in seconds. It offers a flying range of up to 480 kilometers and can hit speeds of 132 kilometers per hour in the air. Despite its advanced tech, it's compact enough to fit in a standard garage, and it's fully certified for flight. So you're not just dreaming. It's real, and it's redefining the way we think about personal transportation. Whether you're beating rush hour or just want to take to the skies, Pegasus E makes it possible with style and innovation. Pantuo Aviation's Pantala Concept H is a futuristic eVTOL aircraft designed for efficient and stylish urban and intercity air travel. This sleek 5-seat flying vehicle can reach speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour with a maximum range of approximately 250 kilometers, all powered by electric propulsion. Its standout feature is a canard tilt-wing design equipped with 22 duct fans, allowing smooth vertical takeoff and transition to forward flight while minimizing noise. The fans are integrated within the wings for better aerodynamics and safety. Inside, the cabin offers panoramic windows and luxurious seating, delivering a premium travel experience. The Pantala H is also being developed with autonomous flight capabilities, making it suitable for various missions, from city commuting to emergency medical transport. The VA-X2 from Vertical Aerospace isn't just a flying machine. It's a silent revolution in the sky, designed to change the way we travel in cities. This all-electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft looks like something from tomorrow. With its sleek frame and 8 powerful rotors, the VA-X2 takes off like a helicopter and cruises like a plane. It can carry 2 passengers up to 160 kilometers at speeds, reaching 160 kilometers per hour, all without emitting a single gram of CO2. The lightweight carbon composite body not only enhances performance, but also gives it a modern, futuristic silhouette. Inside, it's quiet, smooth, and engineered for comfort, perfect for quick urban flights or short regional trips. And the best part? It's designed with safety in mind, using aviation-grade systems and redundant flight controls. Autoflight Prosperity I is a sleek and innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft developed by Chinese aviation company Autoflight. Designed for urban and intercity air mobility, it uses a lift and cruise configuration, featuring multiple vertical lift rotors for takeoff and landing, and a fixed wing with a pusher propeller for efficient forward flight. This 4-seater aircraft is fully electric, offering a range of up to 250 kilometers, around 155 miles, and a top speed of about 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour. With a focus on safety and autonomy, Prosperity I incorporates redundant flight systems and is designed for both piloted and future autonomous operations. Its elegant, futuristic design and quiet electric propulsion make it an ideal solution for reducing ground traffic and connecting city hubs quickly and sustainably. Imagine flying above traffic in a craft so sleek, it looks like it was designed for a superhero. Meet the Leo Solo, a personal eVTOL aircraft that combines elegance, speed, and cutting-edge technology into one futuristic machine. With a fully electric propulsion system and zero emissions, it's built for clean, quiet, and efficient flight. The Leo Solo features 16 powerful duct fans embedded within its carbon fiber body, allowing for smooth vertical takeoff and landing, even in tight urban spaces. It can reach speeds up to 250 kilometers per hour and offers a range of over 80 kilometers, making it ideal for short city hops or thrilling solo adventures. Unlike bulky helicopters or loud drones, the Leo Solo is compact, lightweight, and incredibly intuitive to fly, with advanced stability systems and a high-tech cockpit that looks more like a spaceship than a plane. Last time, Former jet ski champion and French inventor Frankie Zapata introduced Flyboard, a gas-powered jetpack that launches the user up in the air without pipes tailing below the board. This time, he has returned with a new invention, letting the user sit. His new vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, named JETRACER, mirrors Luxe cushioned beach deck chair that can fly like an airplane without a lifting surface, thanks to its 10 micro-turbojet engines installed around the seat. It can achieve a speed of up to 250 kilometers per hour, blazing through the horizon in the blink of an eye, and turning into a vehicle for solo travelers who love to watch the skyline from above. Zapata, the company sharing the last name of the inventor, writes that the JETRACER's main characteristics are maximum speed and high maneuverability at the cost of a relatively short range. Being built on a light and modular chassis makes the aircraft easy to navigate and meet multiple needs, both civil and military. The company also shares that JETRACER can be remotely controlled. What if you could fly like Iron Man? No wings, no cockpit, just you and a powerful jet engine strapped to your back. That's the vision behind the Martin Jetpack, one of the world's first practical personal flying machines. Developed in New Zealand, this vertical takeoff marvel uses twin duct fans powered by a 200 horsepower engine to lift a single pilot straight into the sky. With a maximum altitude of up to 900 meters and a top speed of 74 kilometers per hour, it's designed for both civilian adventure and emergency rescue missions. The carbon fiber frame keeps it light but strong, while its computer-controlled stabilization system ensures smooth and safe flight. Unlike traditional jetpacks that rely on dangerous rocket fuel, the Martin Jetpack is more stable and practical, closer to reality than science fiction. Whether it's flying over rough terrain or skipping traffic altogether, this is personal flight like you've never seen before. Strap in like a sci-fi hero, because the Hoverbike S3 is as close as it gets to riding a speeder bike in real life. Developed by the tech pioneers at HoverSurf, this machine fuses motorcycle design with drone engineering. With 4 large carbon propellers and a futuristic exoskeleton frame, the S3 can hover several meters above the ground, flying at speeds up to 96 kilometers per hour. Built from lightweight carbon fiber and powered by high-capacity lithium batteries, it offers around 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge. It takes off vertically like a drone and is controlled via joysticks, giving pilots intuitive control in midair. The Hoverbike S3 is even compact enough to park in a standard garage. And yes, it's been approved for flight in select countries. Whether it's patrolling the skies or making a dramatic entrance, the S3 is a bold leap into personal aerial transport. The EHang 216 is a revolutionary electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft developed by the Chinese company EHang. Designed for autonomous passenger transport, it features 16 rotors mounted on 8 arms in a coaxial configuration and can carry 2 passengers without the need for a pilot. The aircraft can fly up to 130 kilometers per hour, with a range of about 35 kilometers and a flight time of approximately 21 minutes. Powered entirely by electricity, the EHang 216 is environmentally friendly and operates with 0 emissions. What sets it apart is its full autonomy. It's controlled remotely via 4G and 5G networks, navigating predefined routes without manual input. It includes multiple redundant systems for safety, such as backup rotors and batteries. The EHang 216 has been showcased in numerous countries and has recently made history by receiving type certification from the Civil Aviation Administration of China, making the world's first certified passenger-carrying eVTOL aircraft. The Vertical Aerospace VA-X1 was the first full-scale electrically powered vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft developed by the British aerospace manufacturer Vertical Aerospace. Founded in 2016 by Stephen Fitzpatrick, the company aimed to decarbonize air travel by applying technologies from the aviation, energy, and automotive sectors. The unmanned, remotely controlled VA-X1 prototype, weighing 750 kilograms, achieved its first indoor flight in August 2017 and its first outdoor flight in June 2018 at Cotswold Airport in Kemble, Gloucestershire. This proof-of-concept aircraft featured 4 electric engines, each integrated within a duct fan, and its successful flights marked a significant step for Vertical Aerospace in its mission to revolutionize urban air mobility. flying beyond city boundaries. The EHang VT-30 is designed for long-range regional air mobility. This two-seater autonomous eVTOL can fly up to 300 kilometers for 100 minutes without a pilot. Using 8 vertical rotors for takeoff and landing and a rear pusher propeller for cruising, it combines vertical lift with efficient forward flight. Built from carbon fiber composites, it's lightweight and strong, with fixed wings and an inverted V-tail for aerodynamic stability. The triple redundant fly-by-wire system enhances safety, while its full electric power ensures zero emissions. Recharge time is around 2 hours. More than just an air taxi, the VT-30 expands air travel beyond cities, offering a quiet, clean, and futuristic way to connect city clusters in a new era of urban air mobility.